That's so bad. Yeah, sorry. My bad. Should I be like all formal? Hello. Welcome to my how-to. It's kind of rainy today. It's really freaking close. It's kind of rainy today, so we're gonna try to pump out a video real quick. So today's video is how to 180 bar. You're gonna want to know how to bar. That's first. You want to know how to 180. Then you just put them together. If you have a bank, you're gonna want a bank, but we don't have a bank. But the reason you'd want a bank is like, okay, pretend this is a bank, and you would go up, and you would go about 90, do the bar, and then come down. You would start going up the bank like this, and then you would go more of an angle, and then eventually you would go straight up the bank, 180 bar, back down the bank, if that makes sense. So if you don't have a bank, pretty much what I advise you doing, what I would do, this is what I did. I would just hop really high and kind of turn. Kind of like that. And then turn more and more and more until you're all the way around to the 180. So just hop high and just do a bar spin. Just kind of like this. Just like that. Hold on, that's not what I meant. Hold on, let me redo it. You're probably not gonna land full 180. You're just gonna kind of. I can't. Okay, hold on. I can't not 180. Kind of like that. Just kind of turn, land sideways. You're not really gonna worry about the fakie until you get all the way around. So after you do like a little bar, 90 bar, and then you just kind of work your way to the 180 bar. Tips is to hop as high as you can. Turn your head just like a 180. You start the 180. You're gonna bar about 90, and then you're gonna land backwards. And you're gonna fake you out. You're gonna ride on the cranks, and you're gonna pinch. Probably wanna raise your seat. Bank would be best. I guess I'll just do some. I wanna stand on that side.
Mm-hmm.
If you subscribe to my channel like you should be, back up. You would know for the past week I've been complaining about my wrist being hurt because my wrist is hurt. And yep, that's my excuse for what just happened. Oh, my phone's in the back of your car. That could have been bad. You know what I really don't understand? Vegans. That's pretty much it for my 180 bar how-to. Subscribe for daily videos, BMX, random vlogs. Like the video, share, comment, subscribe. This is kind of a pathetic video. But hey, I needed something. I don't have a car because it's at my grandparents' in the garage because it's gonna hail tonight. And let's go swim.
All right. Bye.